Yes, sir.
Question number 3. So can you read, Mahi, this one? Question number 3.
Okay, sir. A particular type of cooking oil is used at room temperature. Some of the oil is poured into a metal pan. The pan is placed on an electrical hot plate as shown in figure 3.1. Explain in terms of molecules or free electrons how thermal energy is conducted through the metal base of.
Okay. In terms of molecules or free electrons, how thermal energy is conducted to the metal base of the pen. So there are 3 marks, right? We know there is conduction process, right? Hello, hello, Mahi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have here conduction process, right?
Yes, sir.
So the conduction process, how the conduction process is happening here through the metal base of the pen. Any idea?
By the vibrations of molecules.
Very good. And it is metal, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the molecules vibrate and that vibration is transferring to the next molecules, right?
Yes, sir.
So how we'll write it? The molecules vibrate and the energy transfers by vibration to the next molecules, right?
Yes, sir.
So write it. Molecules vibrate. Yeah, write it. Molecules vibrate and by vibrations, by transferring vibrations to the next molecules. Energy is transferred. Okay, so uh, here for mentioning the molecules vibration 1 mark, and this vibration is transferring to the next molecules. For mentioning this another mark, and thus energy transferred for this one another mark. Okay, is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
very good. So we understood it. We are going to question 2 again. Okay, Maimuna, we were waiting for you.
Okay.
Once we are done with this question, we will go back to question two again, no problem. So this part is done, right? This is question three, part one. Can you take a snap, this one, Monica, and send it to our group, please?
Done, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then second part of this question. Yeah, Monica, you read this part. Part two, please read.
Explain how thermal energy spreads to all the oil in the pan.
Mhm. Yeah. So here in oil, right? It splits to
Yes, sir.
all the oil. That means it's talking about the liquid, right? Only within the liquid. Thermal energy transfer within the liquid. So it is about convection, right?
Yes, sir.
So you should have heard the discussion on convection. So for convection process and how it is happening and what is the purpose of convection, mentioning these three things, we are having 3 marks. For mentioning convection, 1 mark, uh, and how the convection is happening, another mark, and what is the purpose of convection, third mark. Okay, so how will write it? Energy spreads spreads to all the oil by convection. Okay, 1 mark. Second mark, there is there is circulation of molecules. Okay, of molecules so that it is distributed uniformly, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Uniformly, yes, uniformly throughout the liquid. You can add more, you can beautify your answer more like this. Throughout, through, throughout the oil. Okay, or liquid, whatever you say, no problem. Okay, this part is done, right? Yeah, please send it also, Monica, this part. Are you understanding, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Monica, yeah, yeah. Adrita took the leave because she has another class at 8 o'clock. Mariam is coming. She is in the waiting room. She is coming. Suggest and explain a suitable material for the handle of the pen. Everyone knows it, right? What is that? suitable material for the handle. What
Sir,
you will use? Sorry,
Plastic, wood.
plastic, wood. Very good, very good. Whatever you like, any of the insulators you write. Okay, plastic, wood, or clothes, right? Clothes covering. Okay, is it clear now? The question number three is done.
yes, sir.
Yeah, part three also done. Then we check, is there any part left in this question? No. Question three is completely done. Now we are going back to question two again for you. So here we go. You already read it, right? You understood it. Now you read part two only. Yeah.
Explain the advantages of using panels that have a black surface.
So if it is black surface, what is the benefit? It's a
So
good
it's a good
absorber.
absorber.
Very good. It's good absorber of heat. Then what will be the benefits if it is good absorber? What is the purpose of this, solar panel? To generate electricity, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
if it can absorb more heat energy, then it can produce or generate more electricity, right? So,
Yes, sir.
so you write this. Black is very good absorber of heat, and uh, thus we can generate more electricity, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, so it's done, right? This part is done also.
Yes.
So we have how much left? Question number four. Okay, only question number four left. Okay, from this worksheet. So you try it, huh? At home, you try it. I think you will be able to do. You know, if any difficulties you are facing, we will also discuss in next class. Okay. So this is your homework. Try question number four. Okay, it's structured question
Okay,
four
sir.
from this worksheet. You try it, and we will discuss it also in our next class. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining, for your patience, for your cooperation. May God bless you. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Huh?
Allah Hafiz, sir. Thank you, sir.
Love, sir.